Hi, year 12. Good day to all of you. Hope you are doing well today and hope you are all safe. Okay, so guys, I'm making this video for you to uh, understand more the topic that I have posted in Edmodo about procedural text or tekstong procedural in Tagalog. Okay? So, babasahin ko muna kung ano ang kahulugan niya sa libro. So, pag sinabing tekstong procedural, ito ay nagbibigay panuto. Okay? Or giving instructions. Sunod, naglalahad ito ng proseso kung paano isinasagawa o binubuo ng ang isang bagay. Or it is presented by the how to do something, okay? Or how to do a certain thing. Okay. Ano nga ba ang tekstong procedural? Eto. What is procedural text? First, it tells the readers how to do something. For example, how to cook. Okay? For example, how to cook adobo. Okay? A Filipino delicacies. Or a Filipino dish. Okay? So, next, how to build a house. Or how to do a certain project. Okay? So that is procedural text. Next, the information is presented in a step-by-step process. So step-by-step process. So we should use like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Or a dot. For example, here's the example, guys. How to cook chicken adobo. Okay? First, we have the ingredients. The chicken, soy sauce, vinegar, onion, garlic, salt, black pepper, sugar, and oil. And here is the procedure. Okay? As you can see, guys, we put numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how the information presented in a step-by-step manner. Okay? So first, clean the chicken and cut into pieces. Then in a pan, put oil, saute garlic and onion. The third one, add chicken and simmer for 10 minutes. 4. Add the vinegar and soy sauce. Simmer until chicken becomes tender. And then the last is add sugar and season with pepper and salt to taste. Then serve. Okay? So it shows the procedures. Okay, guys? Notice the numbering. Or you can use also the dot. Okay? That's it. So, let's proceed. Okay, here's examples, guys. Examples of a procedural text is, number 1, we have the recipe. Okay? As what I have showed you earlier about how to cook chicken adobo. Okay, so it's the recipe. The recipe of a chicken adobo and the procedure how to cook chicken adobo. Okay? The next one, the next example is we have scientific procedures in an experiment. Okay, scientific procedures in an experiment. For example, in the laboratories. Okay? There are many experiments, okay, that you do in a laboratory. So you're using different procedures how to do it. Okay? Then the next one is how to play a certain game and other sports. Okay, certain game, for example, the most prominent one, the Mobile Legend. How to play a Mobile Legend. Okay, so what's the procedure how to play the Mobile Legend? The next, the sports. For example, how to play badminton. What are the procedures on how to play badminton? how to play basketball, okay, or any other sports. So there are procedures in any sports that we are doing. Okay, next. Okay, so let's come now to the characteristics of a procedural text. Okay, characteristics. Okay, kung ano ba yung katangian niya. Number 1, the goal is clearly stated. Okay, so what is your goal in creating something or in creating a certain thing? Okay, it should be clear. The goal should be clear. Next. Number 2, the materials are listed in order of use. Okay, like how to cook chicken adobo, guys. We have the ingredients here. Ingredients first, then the procedure under. Okay, so that is the materials are listed in order of use. Next, the steps are listed in order and are often numbered. Okay, so the steps are listed in order and are often numbered. For example, guys, so it's in order. If you can see here, the procedure is in order. So for us to make it in order, we have to put number. Okay, a numeric number. The next characteristics, guys, is it uses action words. For example, we use saute, we use add, we use clean. Okay, so that are the action words. Okay, we use action words. Next. Okay, transition words are used, or first, then, next, and finally. So we are using transition words there, guys. Okay, when we are doing our procedural text. For example, we use first, then, next, and finally. Okay, for the transitional of the words. Next. There is a detailed information on how, where, and when. Okay, so how? O how to cook. Where? O where to cook. Okay, where's the place? When? Then when to cook. Okay, when to serve. Okay, when to cook and when to serve. The next one, we have, there is a detailed description of the things. Okay, detailed description of the things. For example, here guys. So, if you notice, the procedure here is in detail. Okay, in detail. So, for example, clean the chicken and cut into pieces. So, that's detailed. In a pan, put oil, saute garlic, and onion. So, that's very detailed. Okay? Okay, so that's all, guys. So, that's the characteristics. So, what is the procedural text, the characteristics, and how we do it. Okay? How we do the procedural text. Okay? So, guys, if you have questions, you can directly ask me in my messenger. So it's Mexmex, M-E-C-Z, then M-E-C-Z. So if you have questions, do not hesitate to ask me on my messenger, or you can post it on my Gmail account. Okay, so sanforonio1214 at gmail.com. So if you have any questions, guys, do not forget to ask a question, or do not hesitate to ask questions. Okay? So I will post the rubric on how to do, or on how to give the score for your work, guys. No? Then your activity is you are going to create an example of procedural text. Okay? You can watch a video in YouTube, then pick up all the procedures, or how to do a certain thing. So you can watch in YouTube, how, for example, how to cook. So it depends. The topic is depends to you. Okay, what would you like to to do a certain thing about the procedural text. Okay, so that's it, guys. So expect next week another video for our new topic. Okay, so have a nice day, guys, and take good care.